This video is a part of our Figma friendly tutorial series, and in this video we are going to make this thumbnail using Figma. You might be wondering what is Figma. Figma is used to make illustration, thumbnails, 2D arts, etc. And today in this video we are going to make this thumbnail using Figma. So enjoy the time lapse. So this is what we made finally in Figma, and this looks pretty cool. So from our next part of this series, we are going to understand what is Figma. We are going to use tools in Figma. This is completely beginner-friendly tool series. So I'm going to teach you Figma from the beginning till the advanced. So stay tuned till the next video. Till then, bye bye.